Hi guys, today I'm organizing my daughter's kitchen and I decided to show you guys how I do it. I only bought one thing for this, which is some storage bins, containers, baskets. I got them at Ross and these were actually the smallest ones I could find. When I came home and I tried it in here, these wouldn't fit, so that kind of sucked, but they do fit in all the other compartments, storage shelves, so I'll just use it in the other ones now. So first off, I'm gonna organize all her food items. I'm gonna separate it into two bins. Hopefully they fit. I'll take off this sticker. One bin will have the fruits and veggies, and the other will have all the other junk food type of stuff. Now that I organized all the food stuff, I'm gonna put them right in the middle here, since this is where they fit perfectly. I also separated a container of all the cans and cardboard stuff. And these I'll just put in the oven. Now for all her pots. Most of the ones that would fit, I put them on those things. But there are two different styles of pots. And these are too narrow to fit on the pegs. But this fits, so let me add this little washcloth. I think I'm gonna put the pots all in this shelf. I don't know if this is the freezer or what, but it's under the fridge. So this is where, oops, this is where the pots will go, just like that. Oh, and don't forget things. Yep. This doesn't fit. I'll just put them with the pots. So here's this shelf. The oven, it has two shelves, but I'm only using the bottom one. Here's all her food items. The microwave has nothing, but I think I'm gonna put this plate in here for now. And her dryer, dishwasher, I don't know what this is. It's also empty. Her cutting board is right back there. Also, she has a knife that matches. We'll just leave it here for now. And that's it for storage. Looks way cleaner. And all I needed was just a couple bins.